2 study plans. Same chapter. 7 days. If I quit my plan, this AI will pick all my punishments for an entire week, predicting a 78% chance you quit on day 3. Proceed. Watch me. Alright, the mission for the next 7 days is simple. Master this notoriously difficult chapter on organic chemistry. I took a baseline quiz just now, and let's just say there's room for improvement. I scored a 41 out of 100. Over the week, I'll be tracking my total study hours, my focus and stress levels on a scale of 1 to 10, my phone pickups, and how much sleep I'm getting. Now for the rules. Both plans aim for the same total study time, 10 hours spread across the week. But the methods are completely different. Slim. If I miss a single session on either plan, I have to spin the punishment wheel, which could mean 20 push-ups or 10 extra practice questions. No skipping allowed. My plan uses a rigid, optimized system, 25-minute Pomodoro cycles with 5-minute breaks, mandatory spaced recall sessions at 9 a.m. and 7 p.m. sharp, a 90-minute deep work block, and a final mock test on Sunday. It's pure, data-driven efficiency. My plan is, well, it's more human. It's built around my natural energy levels, not a clock. I use the 2-minute rule to get started. I never skip 2 sessions in a row. And I always stop at a cliffhanger to make it easier to come back the next day. This isn't about finding motivation. It's about building a system that works even when motivation is 0. Day 1 energy is free, and I'm not about to waste it. Mature. I'm starting with the easiest wins. First, a quick preview of the material. A bit of active learning, followed by some recall and a mini-test. The goal is to start before I feel ready, using that 2-minute rule to just get the ball rolling. The AI, on the other hand, is all business, straight into its scheduled blocks. At the end of day 1, the scoreboard is looking pretty close. AI logged 2 hours. I did 1.8. My focus was a little lower, but hey, I also picked up my phone a few more times. Compliance acceptable. Day 2, and we hit our first real difference. The AI's schedule says I have to switch topics at 10:30 a.m. But I'm completely in the zone, finally understanding a really tough concept. I'm not stopping. I am extending my session by 15 minutes because I know that protecting this momentum is way more valuable than blindly obeying a calendar. Restarting from a cold stop is the enemy of progress. The AI isn't happy about it. Deviation detected. Burnout probability increasing to 32%. Day 3, the sky is grey. My energy is low, and my phone is buzzing non-stop. This is exactly what the AI predicted. Statistical quit point reached. Nope, not today. I'm locking my phone in this box. It's time for discipline over drama. I get up, walk 100 steps around my room, drink a glass of water, and set my timer. Motivation follows movement. It doesn't matter if you start ugly or small. You just have to start. Right now. That little reset worked. I managed to get my session in, and surprisingly, my focus was higher than the AI's prescribed session. The best part? My phone pickups dropped to just 2. You don't need to feel motivated to do the work, you just need to do it. Day 4, and I'm outsourcing my I put up an Instagram poll asking my followers, who decides my study plan today, me or the AI? The people have spoken, and 54% voted for the AI. So, fine. Today, we go full robot. It's a rapid-fire montage of 25/5 Pomodoro cycles, a strict 7 p.m. spaced recall session, and drilling practice questions until my brain hurts. Handing over control actually felt good. It turns out accountability is like renting motivation when you don't have any of your own. Public commitment increases compliance by 33%. Day 5, and disaster strikes. My Wi-Fi completely dies right in the middle of an online lecture. The AI plan would be stuck, but my human plan has a backup. No Wi-Fi, no excuse. I switch to my offline notes and start doing a memory palace walkthrough of the key concepts. Motivation is fragile. That's why your systems can't be You always need a boring backup plan for when things go wrong. And look at that, I actually pulled ahead in my total study hours. Day 6, it's late, I'm exhausted, and every fiber of my being is screaming for coffee. But I know that'll mess up my sleep. So, I grab a glass of water instead and get the timer rolling for one last push. The most important thing you can do for your future self is to leave an easy next step. So tonight, I'm not trying to finish the chapter. I'm just getting to a good stopping point, a cliffhanger. So tomorrow's final review session feels easy to start. And I'm reminding myself of the most important rule. Never ever skip twice in a row. Your problem isn't a lack of potential. It's a lack of permission. You just have to grant yourself permission to begin every single day. By the end of the day, we're tied. 10 hours logged for both plans. Day 7, Judgment Day. It's time for the final mock test. I've set up 2 parallel exams. One with questions ordered according to the AI's topic schedule, and one following my own flow-based learning path. This is the ultimate test. Rigid optimization versus flexible, human-centric systems. Let's see how we did. The results are in. For the mock test score, the AI plan got me a 78 out of 100. Not bad at all. But my plan, 82 out of 100. Fair. When it came to remembering the material 24 hours later, my plan also came out on top, with 80% recall versus the AI's 72%. But here's the most telling metric for me. My average stress level was significantly lower, and I was less distracted by my phone. It's a win for the human approach. This experiment proved that the best study plan is the one you can actually stick with. It's about building a system that works for you, not against you. If you want the exact Notion template I use to track everything, my Anki flashcard deck for this chapter, and a printable version of the punishment wheel, just comment hybrid down below, and I'll send it your way. Next trial, caffeine versus consistency. Consistency, every time. Now stop watching this, hydrate, and go give me 20 minutes of focused work. You've got this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.